Bangladesh has refused to participate in next month's T20 World Cup in India, raising concerns over player safety. The decision was announced on January 22nd in Dhaka after the ICC rejected Bangladesh's request to shift matches to a different venue. The Bangladesh Cricket Board had asked to play the tournament at alternative locations, including Sri Lanka, citing security risk as relations between India and Bangladesh have worsened recently. However, the ICC said there was no credible security threat and asked Bangladesh to confirm its decision by Thursday. After meeting with national team players, sports advisor Asif Nazrul said ICC's assessment was not acceptable. He stated that the safety concerns were real and not theoretical and added that the team remains ready to play if the venue is changed. Nazrul warned that excluding Bangladesh, a cricket-loving nation of nearly 200 million people, would be a major loss for the world cricket. The concerns grew after fast bowler Mustafizur Rahman was removed from the IPL following instructions from the BCCI, citing unspecified developments. India is believed to be referring to alleged incidents against Hindus in Bangladesh. If Bangladesh pulls out, Scotland could replace them in the tournament. Notably, Jai Shah, son of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, is the ICC chairman.